In this video, let me show you how to withdraw money from Metrobank. First, open your Metrobank online app in your phone, enter your email address to log in, and here, just click the cashless withdrawal at the dashboard section. After that, select the plus withdrawal button, and here, there's a reminder by Metrobank. You can close it. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that the amount should be divided or divisible by 100. After that, nominate your 4-digit PIN. Click Next. Next, review to see all the details that are correct. Then click Submit. After submitting, input the OTP that will be sent via SMS. Click Submit again. A unique 6-digit code will be shown on your app. Proceed to any Metrobank or PS Bank ATM and enter your 4-digit PIN, followed by your one-time 6-digit code or PIN too. Enter the amount to be withdrawn, then press Confirm. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.